Hi everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to rotate a video in CapCut. So first thing is open the CapCut application. Now once you open CapCut, you need to select a video from your gallery that you want to make these changes to. Tap on new project and select a video that you want to do this effect on. Then tap on add on the bottom right. I'm gonna play the video first. So this is the video that I wanna rotate. Now to do that, what you need to do is tap on edit on the bottom left corner. Tap that. You will see all these options pop out right after that. Now here you need to keep swiping right and then you tap on edit option. Tap on edit. Once you tap on edit, you will have the three more options pop out. That is rotate, mirror, crop. And from there you need to choose the option rotate. Tap that. There you can see the rotation of the video in the screen. So there's a four-way how you can rotate this video with each 90 degree. If you want to rotate your video by 90 degree, then you can do that by clicking on the rotate button. That is 0 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 and the 0 again. So this is a way how you can rotate a video in CapCut. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.